Today, we will talk about how to install chicken wire fence for dogs. Let's have a look at the details. Making sure your dog is secure in your backyard is important to its health and your peace of mind. Putting up a fence for your dog can be a big task, but with the right materials and know-how, you can construct a fence that is sturdy and secure. Learning how to properly install your fence posts and attach woven wire to them will allow you to create a safe place for your dog to run and play. The first step is putting up fence posts. Consider what type of wire fence you would like. There are two different types of wire fences that people typically use to restrain dogs. Both will keep dogs in your yard, but they differ in durability and price. Chain link fence. These tend to be more expensive than other forms of wire fencing, but they are strong and durable. They will last a long time, and they are compliant with many housing associations' guidelines. That said, the large holes in the chain link can make it easy for strangers to stick in hands or objects to taunt your dog. Farm fence. These are cheap fences made from wire mesh stretched out over fence posts. They will not obstruct views in your yard, but they can corrode and may need frequent maintenance. Dig holes for your corner posts. If you choose to use wooden posts for your fence, the first step to building a wire fence for your dog is to dig holes for your corner posts. Place your corner posts in the holes. Corner posts need to be sturdier than your line posts. Dig holes for your brace posts. You should install a brace post for every fence line leading to your corner post. Place your brace posts in the holes. Fill in your corner and brace post holes. Install a brace wire. Add a crosspiece between the corner and brace posts. Once your brace wire is in place, add a wooden crosspiece between the top of your corner post and the brace post. Create a brace lever. You'll need to apply tension to the brace wire to make your corner and brace posts even more sturdy. Dig holes for your line posts. Install your line posts. Once you've dug the holes for your line posts, place your wooden posts in them and fill them in, adding a bit of dirt, clay, or sand at a time, and packing it down well. The second step is attaching the wire fence. Construct a fence stretcher. Woven wire fencing can be tough to stretch, but constructing a fence stretcher can make it much easier. Attach the end of the wire to the corner post. To attach the end of the post, remove a few of the vertical wires from your woven fence. Wrap these wires around the post and then weave them back into the fencing. Stretch the fence to the next corner post. Using your fence stretcher, stretch the fence slowly, applying pressure evenly to all four corners, brace, and line posts. Attach the wire to the fence posts. Starting at the end closest to the corner post, you've already attached your wire to. Secure the woven wire to your brace and line posts using a staple gun. And the third step is putting up temporary or lighter duty fences. Use metal posts instead of wood. Metal posts come with wire clips on them that are used to secure the wire to the post. Use these to secure your wire instead of staples. Purchase a prefabricated fencing kit. You can also purchase a prefabricated fencing kit to erect a safe, secure fence quickly. These kits come in a variety of heights and lengths, so you can select the one that is right for your situation. Buy pre-made fence panels. Another option is to purchase pre-made fence panels. These panels do not require you to set up fence posts. Instead, you place the panels in the formation you desire and pound them into the ground using a sledgehammer or post driver. To secure the panels together, attach them to the adjacent panel using cable ties or a strong wire. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.